Here's the problem. Basic drone capture, photos, video, even simple orthomosaics is becoming a commodity fast. Every pilot with a Mini 3 can deliver decent aerials. Clients know this. They're Googling drone pilot near me and picking whoever quotes lowest. If your 2026 business model is I fly, I deliver raw footage, you're competing on price in a race you can't win. But here's the flip side. The demand for actionable intelligence is exploding. Construction firms need volume calculations accurate to 0.5%. Solar companies need thermal anomaly maps that pinpoint failing panels. Agriculture clients want NDVI analysis that tells them exactly where to irrigate. That's not commodity work. That's specialized analysis, and it commands specialized pricing. Quick numbers. A 1-hour mapping flight at hourly rates, maybe $300 to $500. That same flight data processed into a volumetric stockpile report with CAD-ready deliverables. Industry ranges hit $1,500 to $3,500. Same data capture, 5 times the revenue. The difference is analysis. Stick around. In 2 minutes, I'm showing you the exact 5 analysis types that close the highest value contracts. Let's define what advanced analysis actually means in 2026. Not all analysis is created equal. Some outputs clients can Google for free. Others require specialized software, certifications, or workflows they can't replicate in-house. Those are your gold nuggets. Type 1, thermal anomaly detection, solar farms, electrical substations, building envelopes. You're not just capturing thermal imagery, you're identifying specific problem areas, tagging GPS coordinates, and delivering a prioritized repair list. Clients save tens of thousands on manual inspections. Type 2, volumetric calculations, stockpiles, cut and fill, earthwork. Accuracy matters here. 0.5% to 2% tolerance is the standard. You're delivering cubic yard totals with survey-grade precision, often in formats engineers can import directly into Civil 3D or Trimble. Type 3, precision 3D modeling. Not just pretty visuals, BIM-ready models, as built documentation, clash detection for architects. Think sub-centimeter accuracy, textured meshes, and coordinate system matching. This is where photogrammetry software like Pix4D or Reality Capture earns its keep. Type 4, multispectral agriculture analysis, NDVI, NDRE, chlorophyll maps. You're telling farmers which zones are stressed, which need more nitrogen, and predicting yield variability weeks before harvest. This isn't hobbyist stuff. It requires calibrated sensors and agronomic interpretation. Type 5, change detection and progress tracking. Monthly or weekly comparisons showing exactly what's been built, excavated, or changed on-site. Construction managers use this for pay applications and dispute resolution. It's time series data that proves work completed. Subscribe now so you don't miss next week's breakdown of the software stack that runs these workflows profitably. Coming up, the exact ROI script that justifies a $2,500 fee when clients push back. Keep watching. You can't deliver premium analysis on free software, period. The tools that produce survey-grade outputs, defensible accuracy, and professional deliverables cost money, but they also justify the rates you're about to charge. For photogrammetry and 3D modeling, Pix4D and Drone Deploy dominate construction and surveying. Plans start around $350 per month. Reality Capture handles ultra-high-res modeling. For thermal work, FLIR tools or DJI thermal analysis gets you started. Agriculture clients expect Pix4, D-Fields, or AgroFly for multispectral processing. Here's the math. A $350 monthly software license on 3 projects that month, that's $117 per project overhead. If you're charging $2,000 for analysis, that's 6% cost. Completely sustainable. The software isn't an expense, it's the reason you can charge that rate. Quick compliance note. If your analysis work involves restricted airspace, especially near airports or urban inspection sites, confirm LANC clearance before quoting turnaround. Times a delayed authorization can kill your delivery schedule and client trust. If you're still billing hourly for analysis, you're anchoring your price to your time. not the client's outcome. That's backwards. A volumetric report that takes you 3 hours but saves the client $10,000 in over-ordering concrete isn't worth $300. It's worth $1,500 minimum. Value-based pricing means asking, what is the financial result of this analysis for the client? If a thermal roof scan identifies leaks before $50,000 in interior damage, that inspection is worth $2,000 easy. You're not selling hours, you're selling risk mitigation, cost savings, and decision confidence. This is where tiered packaging wins. Offer 3 levels: Basic, Pro, Enterprise. Basic might be raw processed data, orthomosaic and point cloud, $800 ProAds measurements, annotations, CAD exports, $1,800. Enterprise includes change detection, custom reporting, and priority turnaround, $3,500. Clients self-select based on need, and most choose the middle or top tier. Pro move, always present the top tier first. Anchor high. When you start with the $3,500 package, the $1,800 option looks reasonable. Start with the $800 basic, and suddenly $1,800 feels expensive. Psychology matters. Clients push back on premium pricing when they don't understand the ROI. Your job is to make it stupidly obvious. Here's the script many operators use. This analysis costs $2,200. It identifies drainage issues before your next rain event. Last time a site flooded mid-construction, the delay and rework ran $18,000. We're talking about a 10 times return on a $2,200 investment. That's not hype, it's quantified value. For stockpile analysis, frame it as order accuracy. If you overorder aggregate by 5%, you're spending an extra $3,000 on this pour. Our volumetrics are accurate to under 2%, so you order exactly what you need. Boom! The $1,500 analysis just paid for itself twice. Remember those 5 analysis types from earlier? Each one has an ROI angle. Thermal saves repair costs. Volumetrics prevent overordering, 3D models reduce rework. Multispectral boosts yield. Change detection speeds pay applications. Find the pain point, quantify the savings, present the analysis as the cheaper option. You don't have to master every analysis type yourself. Some pilots build internal expertise, learning the software, investing in sensors, becoming the specialist. Others form strategic partnerships with processing firms or industry consultants who handle the deep analysis while you focus on capture and client relationships. Building in-house gives you full margin control and faster turnaround. Partnering lets you offer capabilities immediately without the learning curve or software investment. Many operators start with partnerships, land a few projects, then decide which analysis types justify in-house development based on repeat demand. Warning, don't overpromise analysis capabilities you can't deliver. If you're partnering, build buffer into your turnaround times. If the processing partner says 4 days, quote the client 7 under promise. Over-deliver beats the reverse every single time. Hit subscribe and check the links below. Take the Drone Business Aptitude Quiz and grab the Drone Launch Box. Marketing advanced analysis isn't the same as marketing drone photography. Pretty Instagram reels don't close a $3,000 thermal inspection contract. You need case studies, technical samples, and proof of accuracy. Build a portfolio page showing before and after analysis examples. Thermal anomaly maps with repair outcomes. Volumetric reports compared to ground survey validation. 3D models with measurement callouts. Engineers and project managers want proof you can deliver what you claim. Show them. That ROI script from earlier? Put it in writing. Create one-page service briefs for each analysis type that include what you deliver, typical use cases, accuracy standards, turnaround time, and a clear ROI example. Send it with every quote. Clients forward it to decision makers, and suddenly you're not just another drone pilot, you're the specialist who quantifies value. Scaling means systemizing. Template your deliverables. Standardize your processing workflows. Build a checklist for each analysis type so you're not reinventing the process every project. The faster you can turn raw data into professional output, the more projects you can handle, and the more profitable your analysis business becomes. Let's recap. Basic capture is commoditizing fast. Premium revenue comes from turning raw data into actionable intelligence. Clients can't produce themselves. The 5 high-value analysis types are thermal anomaly detection, volumetric calculations, precision 3D modeling, multispectral agriculture analysis, and change detection tracking. Value-based pricing and tiered packages let you charge based on client outcomes, not your hours. Most operators see 3 to 5 times revenue increases when they shift models. You can build analysis expertise in-house or partner strategically, but either way, case studies and ROI quantification are what close premium contracts. Subscribe now, because next week we're breaking down the exact software workflows that process 100 acres of mapping data in under 2 hours. The efficiency stack that makes premium pricing sustainable. You don't want to miss it. Check the resources below. Start with the Drone Business Aptitude Quiz to find your best fit service model, then grab the Drone Launch Box for the essential tools that support professional analysis work. Both links are right under this video.